What's up, you legends of laughter? You've just stumbled onto my YouTube channel, the internet's go-to place for the funniest construction bloopers known to humankind. Think of us as the treasure hunters of hilarious mishaps, digging through social media to unearth clips that'll have you giggling like you've hit the concrete jackpot. From wacky worksite shenanigans to moments that defy all logic, we've got the goods. New videos drop every day, so subscribe, comment your fave funny moments, and let's build some laughs together.
Hey there, Giggle Gang! So, didn't those construction bloopers just blow your mind? Were my heart had pranksters making you laugh so hard you nearly launched your drink into the next dimension? Don't bail, the clips coming up are gonna be funnier than a cement mixer moonlighting as a comedian. We're talking workers tripping over their own egos and machinery with a PhD in hilarity. Leave now and you'll be haunted by the ghost of missed laughs. Subscribe, drop your funniest stories, and let's keep the giggles pouring.
And that's the end of today's madness. Hope you had a chuckle or two. Thanks for watching. Meet me at 7 p.m. daily. Later, skaters.